Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm a very lucky man because I get to work with amazing people each and every day. Private coaching sessions are by far my favorite element of the job. Being able to understand the realities, the intricacies of a given situation and to provide you with the exact tips and tools to turn your situations around is what I cherish most, is what I love to do. And these videos are amazing because they give us the opportunity to address a wide range of topics and to help a lot of people, but nothing can replace a private coaching session. And if you have the opportunity to do so, I highly encourage you to book a private coaching session with me or with one of my colleagues because it might very well completely change your breakup recovery and change your life. The topic of today's video is one that is dear to my heart, and it is about the notion of turning a breakup into an opportunity. And dealing with a breakup can be devastating. It can be one of the most challenging, difficult period of your life, whether it's a breakup, a separation, or a divorce. Sometimes you've gone through divorces, breakups, and separations, but the one that you're currently going through is different, unlike any other that you've experienced before. And you can either let that destroy you, destroy your self-esteem and your self-worth, or you can turn this obstacle, this challenge, into an opportunity to grow, to reinvent yourself, to develop virtues, and to become a better partner for your ex or for someone else. And that is one of the most beautiful aspects of our job, helping people find positive despite or in their negative circumstances, in their day-to-day struggle. And the people that are able to find positive and to transcend themselves and to grow usually are the ones that are able to get their ex back because they've set themselves up for success, because they become the person that the ex always wanted to be with. You have to accept the fact that it may not work out. You have to accept the fact that ultimately your goal is to focus on the things that you can control and to maximize your chances of success while becoming the best version of who you can be. That's all that you can truly do. Of course, having a plan, working with a coach, understanding the philosophy and the different challenges and obstacles that others have faced helps. Interacting with other people who are going through what you're going through helps. But none of that will bear fruit, really, truly, unless you choose to turn your breakup into an opportunity. My favorite coaching sessions are the ones where clients have fundamentally understood that and are positive about this breakup recovery process. It's not a dread. It's not something, of course, it's difficult and challenging for everybody, but those that see good, those that are able to focus on the positive aspects of what they are going through, who remain grateful and hopeful, are usually the ones that are able to win their ex back. So ask yourself this question: what are you grateful for? What have you learned from your breakup? And how have you transformed yourself through this crisis? Seek to only see the good, and good things will happen to you. And that is the lesson that I wanted to convey to you in this video, following a comment that I found on our YouTube channel. A breakup is always an opportunity, even if it's painful, even if it's the most unbearable pain that you've ever experienced. And trust me, I know how difficult it can be. It is always an opportunity because it is through crisis that we grow. It is through pain and adversity that we human beings are able to transcend ourselves. And I think that you're going to be up for the challenge too. So please share with me, share with us in the comment section of this video how you will be able to transform yourself and how you have chosen to turn this breakup recovery into an opportunity for you based on where you are at this stage of your life. As always, thank you for tuning in. Keep fighting the good fight and see you soon for another video on Love Advice TV.